What up, y'all? It's your girl Talia Janae, and welcome back to my channel. So, y'all have seen my little garden, my little 2 raised beds, right? I've been trying to grow this sugar baby watermelon.
Yeah, the other one is bigger than this one.
Yes. So, I have another one that's actually bigger than this one, but this was the first one. And
we have a banana plant.
no, I'm just joking. So, I was like doing a little bit of research, and people were saying that you can't even necessarily look at the vine to see if it's ready or not. They're like, you should knock on it and see if it's hollow. And I felt like it was hollow. I don't even really know. I'm just anxious. Like, I really just want to cut it open and see what it looks like on the inside. I don't think it's ready whatsoever, but it literally like I know, I heard it. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and cut into it. I just want to see what the inside looks like. I'm just anxious. So the vine was like half green, half brown, but it literally has stopped growing. It's been this size for like
Ever.
a long time.
Yep.
And I want to say I started this seed like back in May. So it's at least been 3 months, okay? And if not sooner, I can't remember. I have it written down in the house. But anyway, we're going to cut this. And even if it's not ready, I still want to taste it and try it. So let's go ahead. Oh, side note. So y'all already know I'm literally researching and learning as I go. I don't know anything about gardening. I've always had a black thumb. I don't know why I'm slinging this knife like this, but let's go ahead and get into it, shall we? And if you saw my tomato sandwich video, you know, like, me cutting this is actually not going to be pretty. So. It's red.
Yeah, it's red.
Excuse me.
It's ready.
Ooh, it smells good.
That's me.
Come down here so you can be seen. Come, get on your knees. There you go. You can't tell me that don't smell good.
Okay.
It's ready.
I take the seeds out.
Yeah, let's keep them seeds.
Okay. And this one.
Just set them to the side. Why does mine have more seeds? Okay, so this is exciting. We're just gonna go ahead and
Dump those seeds out.
I'm gonna cut mine in half.
We gotta have seeds.
I'm gonna cut yours in half too.
Guess so.
I can't believe it. Oh, you're gonna have to get your daddy. Y'all, this is so exciting. I grew this from freaking seed. It's red. What?
It don't look good.
I think it might be overripe. But I was just showing you.
It look way overripe.
I'm just showing you that it's
Red.
it's red.
Did y'all eat a piece yet?
No, not yet. Go ahead. You done stuck your mouth all in it.
They eat a seed.
It's not bad.
I could have pulled this off already though.
It's good. Yeah, I think the
Just
other
spit
one
the
is
seeds
probably
out.
overripe too.
No, it's still growing.
Oh, it is? Oh, okay.
But this one stopped growing
Yeah.
like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah. So it's cool. I like it.
But anyway, I was just saying, this was grown from seed.
Mm-hmm. That's good. That's good.
Hi, Daddy.
Come kneel. Come kneel down.
No, I just see.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So sorry. I called Jonathan out here to try it because I grew this from seed. Granted, it is definitely, it's overripe for sure.
And I don't really like it. Yeah.
It's because it's overripe, so you're probably not that much of a fan. But if I would have picked it like 3 weeks ago, it probably would have been Poppington. Do you hear me? So I'm probably just gonna save the seeds. Look at me about to save some seeds. Yes.
No, yes.
You go one more time.
No, yes.
Anybody want a 5-year-old?
Me?
No, I'm messing. But I'm gonna attempt to like dry these seeds. I don't even know how to save seeds. I'm gonna look it up. But I freaking grew a watermelon. A tear. This is so exciting. But anyway, I was literally doing this video on a whim. So yeah. Okay, birds. Ooh, they loud, y'all. Okay, we get it. But anyway, you can eat those. Anyway, y'all, we will see y'all in the next one. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.
Bye.